Hello and welcome to the Adelman Family Builds. I am your host Jeremy Adelman. Today's video is the unboxing of the kit for the Great Guitar Build-Off of 2022, Kit category. Our family has enjoyed watching the build-offs for the last couple of years, and I think it's time for us to build one from a kit, and then eventually one from scratch in the future. Please follow along on our journey from design, testing, and the actual build process for what we are calling the Blue Tigress. I'll be doing most of the tough parts, but the kids will be doing the rest. This is our first experience in guitar building, but I have replaced some parts, electronics, and have done basic setups on most of the guitars that I play. Thanks for watching and enjoy.
Unbox it.
Everybody's excited. Get this into place. Cue the music.
And go.
Oh, more boxes. Yay.
Yay.
Unexpected.
Oh, I like this one.
It's in the bag. It's in the bag.
Oh, it is.
Okay, I'll hang on to it. There you go. You pull it that way. Here. Pull it that way.
That one?
Yep.
Oh. You mean I didn't have to rip it apart?
What? Look at this.
We're gonna have to polish that.
Yep. Wood looks really dry. But look at this. Yes, we are, honey. This is awesome. This
Are we
is-
gonna have to wash that off?
Nope, because there's that.
Which camera are you filming it at?
Both.
That one or that?
Both cameras. This just feels nice and smooth. Feel it. And feel it. Like run your thumbs up and down here. They're already dressed. There's no whatchamacallits. Let's see if I can get that on here.
Zach, that's a photo, not.
There we go. That's probably a better angle. But those ends are not rough, which I'm okay with, but I was hoping that it would be rough so that way we could work on our practice working on frets. But we get the polish. There's a nut. We could replace this nut too and put something better in there, but sweet. All right.
Which one next? I think this one might be the body.
This will be body, and this is the hard one. Let's do the body because that's the fun part. I'm gonna put this in a box. Ari's in the background. Everything's bagged up. Let's just rip it. Ready?
Whoa.
Look at that. Wow. Yeah.
Gosh, that's
This
already
looks
smooth.
totally different than what I expected. Oh, sorry. Here you can take both boxes. Or that. Actually, let's do that. So look at the. I thought this was going to be a less figured body.
Dad, she's in the
More like
background. She's in the
That's
background.
okay. It's okay. We'll figure that part out.
That's
Look at
really different.
Some nice figuring.
I thought it would be lighter.
I thought it was going to be lighter, more like a maple or a pine or
What are you doing, Steve? This is an awesome video. Ow.
I like this, routed for a humbucker. We could have 2 humbuckers and a single coil. That is awesome. That is awesome.
Yes. Which kind of tree is that?
I'm not sure. I have to look. That is a great question. I'll have to look online to see what it was, but I am not. That's okay. I'm not familiar with this one. Maybe a poplar. They use ash. I think it would be more expensive if it was decent wood.
Should I open the hardware?
Okay. So we got tremolo system, jack, controls, pickups, and looks like they did a bad drill job for there. But all these little mistakes give us something to practice on and fixing.
And I think we can add wood.
This is going to be so much fun. With the design that we have planned, right? Can we say what we're going to do for a theme?
The blue tigress.
The blue tigress. Fire is going to be involved.
Fire?
Fire. There's going to be some epoxy. Some holes drilled. Yeah, this is going to be awesome. I'm so excited. All right. Okay, let's put this one down. We got one more box. This is all the hardware. This is a kit, full kit. So it comes with a jack, a cable,
Stuff to it.
the jack, couple of boxes, free styrofoam. Yay.
Oh!
White back plate.
The tuners.
Back plate. Leave it in the bag for now. Some strings, which we'll probably replace with some.
Oh! So that makes sense. Now
Oh, look! Oh, neat. It came with an additional nut. And there's some string trees and looks like strap locks, or strap, not locks, but strap buttons. What are those? Oh, these are for the hardware. Tuners, a bunch of extra screws. All this is the hardware for us. We got tremolo bar. Did you show the tuners? Tuners? We'll probably not use these. This is pre-wired quick guard, which we may or may not use.
But I thought you said we had to use them.
We don't have to use it. We can design. That's the awesome part of designing and building our own.
Oh, yay! More
And
tuners.
directions.
More tuners. More of these. More of these.
Trim system, springs,
And more of these.
nuts. Another nut? Holy cow.
I know.
That's interesting. I wonder why I can't. Got all this extra parts. We got two parts of everything?
Yeah, we can.
Yes!
2 more guitars.
We should have bought a double neck. Sweet. So we got extra parts to make extra mistakes. Great. So that's the
Or we
kit.
can go ahead and just grab a piece of wood,
Yes.
draw out a guitar, and make our own.
There we go. That's our kit for the 2022 Great Guitar Build-Off. Let's get building.